was aware of the brand and I was aware of the capability of the cars. Massive race fan, so I was aware of their enviable race history. And when the garage door went up, it's kind of exciting. An SC sitting there, pushed it out into the sunlight, dusted it off. Driving it home, I was immediately impressed with how solid the car was and how it handled. It was super nimble. I got in it and it was just one remarkable thought after the other. I mean, the car feels like it weighs 5 pounds. And the turn-in, even before restoration, the turn-in sharp, it's just not like the cars that I was used to. I had no intentions of a restoration. Then I met Jeremy, and Jeremy said, "Have you ever thought of, going further?" And I said, "No, not really." And he said, "Well, there is this thing that we do for classic." And I said, "That's interesting." I read about it. Let's go try and witness. The 356 that I now have was my first real experience with Porsche. And now I've come over to the dark side